Welcome to the Libman Education Coding Clinic Commentary Update for ICD-10-CM and PCS, third quarter 2022. My name is Faye, and I will be hosting this session of our update. This same patient underwent repair of the prolapsed and non-healing necrotic neovaginal graft. The non-viable skin graft was removed and the neovagina was closed by suture of the external and sphincter to the bulbospongiosus muscle. Zero-depth vaginoplasty was performed, vulvar skin was excised, and bleeding edges were advanced to create a dimple to replace the vaginal introitus. Coding Clinic is asked how to correctly report this procedure in ICD-10 PCS. Coding Clinic advises to report codes 0HX9XZZ, transfer perineum skin, external approach for the zero-depth vulvoplasty, 0UPH77Z, removal of autologous tissue substitute from vagina and cul-de-sac via natural or artificial opening, and 0K-QM0ZZ, repair perineum muscle open approach for the closure of the neovagina. Thank you for joining us for this presentation. If you have any questions or comments, we would very much like to hear from you. Happy coding!